Hey everyone! Today we are going to show you how to change your profile picture and character AI. It's super easy, and by the end of this video you will have a brand new avatar to represent you in your AI interaction. Now let's get it started. First of all, open your character AI app and make sure to log into your account. Now look for the profile icon in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it and this will take you to the profile. Now tap on the setting icon or gear icon in top right corner, which will take you to the setting. Now in the settings menu you can see a profile picture, which right now is symbolized by the initial. It's over here. To change the profile picture, you can see a pencil button over here. Tap on it and you will be taken to this page where you can either generate or you can upload your profile picture on your own. To generate a picture, you can simply describe how your profile looks like and it will use the AI to generate your photo. For now, let's upload from my gallery. Tap on upload. Then you will be taken to the gallery. Let's tap on this. And this is the preview of how the photo will look like or the profile picture will look like. And always make sure it's a clear, high quality image for the best results. And once everything looks fine, tap on backward arrow. And tada, you have successfully changed your profile picture in character.ai or character AI. And that's it, your new profile picture will now be visible in your character AI account. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and have fun personalizing your profile.